Welcome back to the RR Joe Show. So we're out here, gonna be doing some fun things. Got some fun things we're gonna get to do, and I took a week's vacation. Kind of feel a little guilty about it, but you know, sometimes you just need to take a break and rewind. But I'm not sure I'm very good at taking breaks, so I got some things I'm going to be helping out with, and some fun things I'm going to be doing, and obviously I'll be making some videos, so I hope you enjoy. I want to thank you for coming along, and please hit that like and subscribe button. That really helps me out. I need subscribers, you know, and trying to have a little bit of fun with this. It's not my priority, but it's something that I enjoy doing, and it's helping me get better at what I do with rebuild rescue. So thanks for coming along, and hope you enjoy. Here we're getting ready to hook up the hoist, and we noticed a couple things were going to get pinched and were in the way of the hooks, so we had to remove them to get ready to remove the engine from the stand. So we got the motor off the stand. It's officially a Hangar. So, I mean, that thing is cool. A whole lot of motor. It's all hanging from 4 hooks. So we got the seals on. They couldn't go on before the engine came off the engine stand, so we're placing the last one now. And then I think it's time to slap that sucker up there.
Study that for me. And I hope I got this right.
I cut on both ends.
Okay.
I got it where it felt the nicest.
Will that pop? That's really thin.
Cage nuts, and we were able to just start the bolts a little easier than we expected, but it was still, we had to get them in close alignment before you could even get them to start. So there's a whole lot of pushing, pulling. And we're down to one of the last holes, just not quite lining up. And there goes the last bolt. Now it's just a matter of snugging them down and torquing. Now we're all just going to stand here and watch Bob do a lot of hard work. If you'd like to see more on the A26 Bomber and or the 2/3 scale P51 Mustang, check out Bob's channel at Mustang Bob 51 on YouTube.
You call that good and tight?
I do.
I think I'm gonna have dinner. Close up the hangar. Just come inside. Yeah, I moved the trauma spider over behind it. All I gotta do is pull it all.
So Bob's there torquing things down. I think we got this thing on there.
This is different than being in Pennsylvania. I actually get to do things.
Yeah. So there we go. We have an engine completely unhooked and hanging from the airplane. So here we are, day 3 in the hangar. Engines hung. Bob and I went and started attaching the rings that the cowling will attach to, and got that all buttoned up. Did a little work with the cowl flaps, and also we got a couple exhaust pipes in there. Now we weren't able to do many, so I think we did 3, but we got a couple things done here, and worked hard all day yesterday, and now today we're going to be cleaning up and getting ready for the open house. But yeah, we got quite a bit accomplished, and we're pleased with what we did get accomplished. And this thing is ginormous. I mean, huge. So, but I don't know how much more I'll be putting my hands on this while I'm here, but like I said, super excited to be able to come out and at least put my hands on it, learn a few things, and hang out with the guys. It's been a lot of fun so far, and beautiful scenery out here. Never been out here before, so it's really fun. And yeah, so that's where we're at now. This bird is one big bird. I mean, I thought the 401 was a big project. Whew. Man, I'm glad I'm not in the middle of this one every day. But it would be fun. But I mean, look at that tail. That tail's 20 something feet in the air. If not, maybe even a little bit more. I don't know. But a really sweet project. And these guys are doing a fantastic job. Got a bunch of seats in there. Getting some interior work done. The gear is just ginormous. That's a heck of a gear pocket. Huge battery. We're cleaning up around the hangar, then I noticed Bob riding around on the Tenant, looking like he's having a blast. I don't know if he's certified for that. You have certification for that, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. And while we're cleaning the hangar, we had some visitors next door, and of course they made a dusty mess, so we had to go back and do some over again. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll have one more part to this video coming in the next week or so. Thanks again for watching.